Boys and girls, before we begin this next activity, I have a bat joke for you. Are you ready? What did the bat say to his buddy when he was asked, "What's up?" The ground. Isn't that like so hilarious? All right. So now that you know what a label is, we're going to take a look at what labels look like in a nonfiction text. A nonfiction text, remember, is real world information that's found in books. So it's not make-believe, it's real world information. And I have one here with me on bats from my own library. I know the picture might be kind of hard to see, but here is a picture of a bat, and around it there are different red parts and lines that will show the different labels to a bat. So for instance, right here it says coat of fur, and it has a line drawn to that part of the bat. Here it says 4 fingers, and there it is. Here it points to the bat's thumb. Here it shows where its sensitive nose is. Here are the bat's big ears. And here it shows where the eyes are. It says sharp eyesight. And lastly, it says wing. So it has a line drawn to that part of the bat. So that's what a diagram and what labels look like in a nonfiction text. And now it's your turn. For this activity, you will need this piece of paper that says bat diagram, and you'll also need a pencil. So we have this picture of this bat, and we have some rectangles all around the bat. And under those rectangles are some arrows that point to different parts of the bat. Down here in this rectangle, you have your word bank. These are the words that you need to use to fill in for the different labels around the bat. For example, the first one says ears. And if you're not sure what one of these words says, you can always ask a mama bear or a papa bear or someone around you to help you sound out some of these words. The first one says ears, and I look around to the different rectangles and I see where each arrow is pointing. And when I find the one that is pointing to the bat's ears, that's where I'm going to write that word ears, okay? So I'm going to start here. No, that's its thumb. I don't want to write it there. Okay, here's another one. Oh, look at that arrow. It's pointing to the bat's ears. So, with your pencil, you would write the letters that spell out ears right there in that rectangle so that that label shows where the bat's ears are in the picture. And you're going to do that for each one of these words in the word bank. Ears, fingers, thumb, wing, and feet. Make sure you put your name on your paper so your teacher knows who did this awesome work. Okay, boys and girls? All right, before I close today, I have one last joke for you. Why did the bat get kicked out of the bat cave? Get kicked out of the bat cave? Because it had a batitude. Not cool. All right. Bye, boys and girls.